Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this video is for 8th grade. This class is going to be vocabulary, okay? So the idea is that you practice the pronunciation and review uh, the vocabulary from units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's practice the pronunciation, okay? So in this video, you need to do two activities. Activity one, it's listen and repeat. I mean, practice the pronunciation, okay? That's very simple. Listen and repeat. The second, uh, the second activity is copy the words, copy a list, copy all the words that you have on a screen. So copy, because those words, at the end we're gonna do like a little quiz. Okay, so pay attention to that. So that's what I need. Exercise one: listen and repeat. Practice pronunciation. Exercise two: listen and copy the words on your notebook. Remember, these words must be in the part of vocabulary part, half of your notebook. Okay, good. So let's go. Let's go to the class. Let's go. Let me see. And this is what I'm talking about. So this is vocabulary for 8th grade, units 1 to 7, okay? So listen carefully and then you practice the pronunciation. I don't think it's difficult for you. I think it's just like a review, okay? Let's go. One, two, three. Brain. So you repeat brain, right? Statement. So you repeat statement. Keep, keep. Try, try. Success, success. Inside, inside. Here, here, here. Neuron, neuron. Trillion, trillion, trillion. Self help, self help. Us, think, think. Remember, remember. Fill, fill. Dream, dream. Leave, leave, leave. Without, without. same, same, all, receives, 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 tell, kinds, kinds, make, vowel, vowel, walk, walk, talk, 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 talk. So never pronounce L. L is decoration. Here, L decoration. Okay. So talk, talk. Between, between, between. Ish, ish. Notice this. Ish, ish. Good. Human, human, human. Pounds, pounds. Weigh, weigh. Weight, weight. Mean, largest. Size, size. Have, has. Training, training, training. Could, could. So this decoration, this is decoration, okay? So repeat. Could, 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 could. Learn, learn. Yes, so here is decoration. Learn this a decoration. Learn types, types. Skill, skill. Headings, headings. Here is decoration. Headings, headings. Yourself, yourself. Get, repeat, get. This cause, this cause. Smell, smell, smell. Hear, No, no. Remember, remember. See, listen. This decoration. Listen, listen. Touch, count, count. Taste, request, request. Ask, give, give. Describe, describe. Neither, neither. Some people say neither, neither. Can, features, features, features. Largest, largest, largest. Hair, mouth, mouth. Puzzle, puzzle. History, art, literature, literature, literature. Geography, geography. Math, music, science, science. Paint, paint. Quantity, quantity, quantity. Around, around. Carry, carry. Enjoy, left, right, left and right. Body, body. Interview or interview, interview. Apartment, apartment. Around. Don't forget this is you need to copy this on your notebook, okay? Don't forget that also, okay? And then we continue practicing more, okay? Next class we will continue